Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're at the ELEX Show. Here we go. Going through a car wash. I'm eating a 12. Hey, so we're going in then. So it's Ellis's first ELEX show. So we'll see what's going on then. So I think last time, what did we get here last time? We got a gaming chair, didn't we? Oh. We did. We got a gaming chair. Oh, brilliant. Our lass wasn't very happy. But I said it'll go in the office and it'll be sick. Right, we're just gonna get his little badges from here. That'll be a bit of fun.
Oh. That's rude to be fair.
Thank you, that's yours. There we go.
10 men Alice.
That's it. That's you. That's funny. That's brilliant.
Just wait for agents, it's fine.
Now, how did you get the nickname 10 men Alice? Do you do the work of 10 men?
It does, it's very strong.
Do you get the wages of 10 men? No.
What are you heading?
I don't know.
Head of the beast. Head of the beast, there we go. Thank you. Hello, brilliant. Right, we're into the show then. Let's look at yours then. It's got 10 men Ellis. Nice. Got Hayden the Beast. So then we've got loads of, I think last time we had a chat with Big Wipes. We had the Big Wipe. What was it? Luke from Big Wipes. Doing a nice little show, wasn't he? That was pretty sick. These are struggling to get the tags on apparently. Let's see what we've got cooking here. Right, so we're in the Makita stand then. Boo, we don't like Makita, do we? But this is what they're offering then. Got a few drills. That little Makita lawnmower. So Makita do like a coffee maker as well, which is pretty cool. So you get, I think it's like 2 batteries and it makes like a full-on, like a steam espresso thing going on. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Here we go, Hudson lighting then. Let's see what they got. So Ellis will be my lectern. So if you're gonna hold that and flip the pages. We've got some pretty cool stuff in here. So just had a look then. We've got some cool like uplighters for trees. What else were there? Yeah, not too bad. Keep going. What else do we have? We had some cool, we had some kit going. There we go. We had these cool like step lights. They just kind of sit on the ground. It's actually patio there, like the steps going up. They're pretty cool, aren't they? So they do, there's a company that does like speakers that look like this. So it's like, looks like a mushroom, but that's like the base for like your garden. So you have like a garden stereo system. They might be here actually. We'll try and get them on film if they are here. But you can get a proper awesome sound in your garden for like garden parties. You get like a mushroom that sits on the floor. It kicks out proper decent bass. It like sticks into the floor, so it's like shakes the ground. It's proper sick. They got these like little tweakers that like poke into the ground, like look like little spike lights, but like little tweakers. Speakers look proper sick. There we go, so we've got this football thing then, so we're going to get it in there. You get different points for different stuff. 29 points is the highest, and we've got Hayden. He used to play for Leeds. So it should be good. So, how about you, Ellis? What do you think you're going to get?
I've got Steelies on.
He's got Steelies on?
I'm not doing all.
I got little toe pop things. Well, it's a competition between us two, and we'll see what. I don't even play football. I think I kicked a ball once when I was 5, so look at that, look at this little beast. Straight in. Oh.
I think she was going to come off, you know.
Right. But now it's getting tense a minute. Is you out beating? You're gonna win.
I'm in.
You need a tool bag, don't you? You need a tool bag.
I've got a tool bag, what do you mean?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Is that looking good? Just 2. Last one. He's on his last one. Oh!
Shoes on.
Did we have a bit of crosswind, did you say? Yeah, I will, yeah. Has he done it already? How you doing, Alice? Have you got any in yet? No. No, right.
What? Let's pour that, James.
Oh.
You said
What are you doing? Oh.
yeah, but
It's still coming back to me. Go on. Oh. Can I get one? Oh, we're all losers. Crikey. Right then, where should we go next then? Let's go that way. What's the best marker for us then?
For electricians, the best marker for sure is the Artline electrical marker.
Okay.
It's twin-ended, non-conductive barrel, non-conductive ink. Absolutely perfect if you're an electrician. You've got a spark in your life. Great for writing on cables, pat labels, all that kind of stuff. So for £8, special only trade deal today. Best one out there.
Sam, we'll give them a go then, thank you. Right, the next event then, we've got Selco, Builder's Warehouse, so we're going to have a go at the darts. You getting a queue, lad? Is this the queue? You're joking, there's a massive gap over there. Right, so Aidan didn't want to be filmed on this one, but it was for me and Ellis. Me versus Ellis, I'm terrible at darts as well. Yeah, it turns out them two are having a game, so can't bother waiting, so let's see what else we got then. So this is Bosch then, so we've got, what have we got? Bosch mains drill, that's all we've got in Bosch. So let's see what other stuff they've got then. We don't really touch their battery stuff. We had a big bad boy 38 volt drill, but I drilled one 4-inch hole for an hour, rinsed through the battery about 3 times, and it never worked the same since. So yeah, we'll stay away from Bosch. Oh yes, look at this little coffee shop, the Little Yorkshire Coffee Company. I'll have a latte and a brownie, I think. Oh, it's like the best coffee ever. Look at this, for a nice moist brownie as well.
Oh, nice. That's 110 quid worth of kit you got there.
There you go, 110 quid for the kit, mate.
I'll take that.
He's got himself a mate.
Because you won that.
Have I done that?
Go on, mate.
As you've won that, you need to buy a set of cable rods to go with it.
You want to go on this?
Oh. Yeah, they're...
Aidan don't want to be on film, but I think he got that one on film, didn't he?
It's got a quote. It just says
Hard to win or something?
Yeah.
It looks easier.
You only get one go.
Back in there, yeah.
It's got a 1/4-inch thread on. So
I went through to the other side. I saw a Reddit with a screwdriver in the other side. I did. Oh, well, I've got no rods left. I'm going through the other side.
yeah. You can record, view, photograph. You know, 70 minutes you get on with the lights. It's IP67 rated. As you can see there, you can pinch the screen as well. Yeah. You know, and stuff like that. That's a good bit of, you know. So yeah.
You want to go, Ellis? Go on, have a go, Ellis. You need some new cutters. I hate his cutters.
They were just yellow. They were just yellow in that one. Yeah. What's this one here?
Did I do that one?
I don't know.
Is there a rat in there? No, I won't go for that one. That's the one I did.
I'll offer it anyway. I'm committed. I can't see you now, so.
Is it? I'm trying to. What is it? There we go. So you got yellow.
Oh, why is it like that?
yellow one there.
I can't see it.
Go on, laddie.
Give it a twist.
Good job, you're alright,
Shut up here.
I didn't get one. I went straight through to the side.
Right, how have you done this?
Oh, is that it?
He's got this out.
Come give it a wiggle.
Yes.
There you go. Yeah, you want to.
What a legend.
One of the little.
Now that James.
I wasn't expecting a keyring. I thought it'd be like another magnet.
I thought I won the keyring, mate.
It's 110 quid for this stuff.
What is it?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, see?
Oh, there we are. What a legend.
Nice one.
Oh, I can't believe Aidan just won the cash prize. Go on, let's have a look then. So we've got the Mighty Scope. You'll be on their Instagram now as the winner of the day.
I've smashed it.
Look at that. So you saw it in action. It's waterproof. Digital zoom function. You can get it on his phone. It's jammy, isn't it? Can't believe that.
Let's have a look at it.
Can't believe. Look, Alice is blown away. I think what do you get, Alice? Where's your prize? Then? So you got.
I'd say mine's better, to be
A bit
honest.
smaller, a bit crapper.
Yeah, that's how it is.
There you go, he's got a little red light. That's cool though. 150 lumen, that'll do him. Hello, rechargeable, see?
Yeah, don't worry.
Right, let's just down at Big Wipes then, let's see what you got.
Right then, we've got the Big Wipes van system. You get 3 brackets, you get a red tub with 2 red refills, the spray, and the super soft absorbent surface wipe.
Cool.
Full system, 8 products, 65 quid.
Right.
£8.12 an item, that's inclusive of that.
So what's that spray do then?
Spray is the solution you get on the wipes, it's antiviral, it's antibacterial.
Right.
There's skin conditioners in there, there's solvents, and it's fully skin safe.
Right, so 65 quid for all 3 then?
65 quid for 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
These 3 as well, so that's 6, and then 2 refills on top of that. So it's 8 products for 65
What do
quid.
you think, Aidan? 2. Right, let's get it.
I'm going for it, lads.
I think so.
1 each.
1 each, he ain't got a van yet, he walks still. He's just got legs. Yeah, let's go for that then, mate, that'll be great.
How many are we going for?
2.
2.
Milwaukee stand. There we go. So we've got some great stuff. Ian just pointed out. Look at this. We've got a little cable stapler. So you literally just put your little battery in, get your staples in, and ka-chung later. And then Aidan went, "Don't get that. You got Ellis." I'm like, "Yeah, it's all right.
I'm off road.
It's all right. He's going home. He's going home." Aidan's well chuffed with his buys. He's like, "It's a good camera as well." Oh, I can't wait. We don't need it. We kind of bought it all last year. I'm happy with that. I'll give you Aidan got refreshers, 10 man list, let's have it.
Get white wine.
Fredo. Bits to be fairer on you anyway. Fredo.
Yes. There we go. Toro! Come out my house tonight.
It's not even the Bosch stuff.
Yes. Aidan's on it. He's going to beat this pro. I thought he was playing randomers, but he's actually a pro. Yeah, he also with a t-shirt. It's called Mark Webster.
I'd have never guessed.
Do you know who he is?
No.
Oh, he's very trusting of Aidan, but his fingers on that man. Did you? I'm not playing.
I need it 1-8.
Aidan, you just watch out.
Come on, Aidan. You can do it. You can win a pen. He's actually doing it right, to be fair. He's actually doing it right. That's brilliant.
I've not played that.
Is he in New York, is he?
Oh, shots fired.
Off you go, mate. That's what plans for, pal, don't worry. Van Buren, Price, Smith, Wright, Humphreys, Cross.
I think you beat Ellis, mate, there. You see me in wholesale, haven't you? I'm terrible. Would you get one more go, Ellis? Huh? Do you get another go, do you? I don't know how it works. Right, this is me having a go at dance. Right, go and get right in there.
Right in. How do you do it?
Just joking this one.
She's got a queue of people that say that.
Yeah, over here. Who goes first? You back first, man.
Just go like this now.
Dance. This is simply sensational.
I'm just
It's like a dart. Look at that. Go on. 1-8.
go on then. Go into my head.
It's terrible, isn't it?
It's so bad.
Wouldn't mind taking a punch off him, would you? Nice. Unlucky.
I think I got the
Oh, yeah, that'll do, yeah.
Very much. So was it worth it?
Come at my house tonight. It was very good. Yeah, we're all shopped till we drops. Yeah, have a good one then.
See you later.
10 minutes, Ellis.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. That's so funny. He's got like the 80s look going on with like the oversized top and the baggy.
I blame you for that.
It looks good. So yeah, it was cool. We're just having a chat with a company called J Electrical, sorry. It's there on Instagram. So if you want to check them out, I think have they got a YouTube channel? I don't know, but yeah, we're good chatting with them. So they do loads with lakes solar. Yeah. So they've been like subcontracted to them doing loads of like solar installs. So I had a chat with them saying, well, you know, our lass loves the lakes. She loves Keswick and that. I'll go up and have an holiday and fit some solar panels. So we'll see how that goes. But that's just done for today then. So what's this goods then? So we've got, what have you got, Aidan? Was it a mighty rod camera thing on a stick? He won it first try, I can't believe that, Aidan. You're so jammy. Ellis won a torch.
I got a football as well.
And a football, did you both win?
Yeah, I won a football.
They won a football each.
Thanks to me though, give me 2 points. So.
Ah, here we go then. Here we go. We've got big wipes each. We've got one for our van. So they're like, I don't know if you saw this, but how you did. So you basically screw it to the wood panelling, and then you got a spray, a wipe, and another wipe. So there we go. But yeah, that's about it. So that's the ELEX show then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. Hopefully these don't get run over. If you enjoyed it, follow me. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Enjoyed your day, lads?
Not bad.
Hard work winning, innit? Looking good.